Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we have this right here. This is a mystery unboxing. It's a knife. You already saw the description and the title. It's a mystery unboxing knife. I got this, guys, because I thought it looked good. And I do collect knives, and I'll give you that story at the end of the video. But I thought this would be pretty good. The price is only $18.89, so it was very inexpensive. But I thought for the money and how it looked, I got a good deal. Now, I like to collect knives. Now, I don't know everything about knives. I don't know the steel composition, how much carbon's in it. I don't know all that. I just like to collect nice-looking knives. Okay, guys? But before we get into the eagle eye view, please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my current, and new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. The more thumbs up we get, the more you share, and even making a comment down below. The YouTube algorithm, guys, love that. So if you do that for me, they'll push this out even further. So without further ado, let's get into the eagle eye view. This is not how it looks, but let's go ahead and get it open real quick. So this right here, guys, is the Valhalla Pastor's, that's what it says, pocket knife. And I didn't realize that was the whole title. All I saw was Valhalla and how it looked. And I was like, okay, I'll get that. And when I went back over it to see what I bought, it says the Valhalla Pastor's pocket knife. Okay, so we're gonna get in a little bit closer, guys. All right, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. This is not going to be a long unboxing at all. Like I said, I do collect knives, and okay, I like that. There's nothing else in here. Okay, so this one right here will cost you $18.99. So this is how it looks, guys. Look at that engraving. I do like that. Got the wood right here. Got the engraving. Got that here. Feels pretty good. It's pretty heavy too, guys. It's really heavy. Maybe I'll do a weight. We'll weigh it. Get something else. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, that's smooth. That was smooth. Kind of smooth. Oh, I like that. So this is how it looks. So this side is not sharp, but this side is. Okay. So I guess you could have made both sides sharp, but this is how it looks. I think this is going to make a nice unboxing knife. All right, I did back it up a little bit so you can see the full width. So before we get to the regular view, I'm going to go ahead and weigh it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to weigh it against something like this right here. This is my other pocket knife here. And you can see. And I think this is still heavier. So let's go ahead and weigh it and see how much. All right, let's see how much it weighs. Now this weighs 208 grams. And this right here weighs 176 grams. And that's a 32 grams difference. So you can see this thing is pretty heavy, guys. So, all right, let's get back to the regular view. Give my final thoughts and then get you out of here. Yo, I'm back to give my final thoughts and give you that story I was going to tell you about this knife. Now, this knife, again, I didn't know the name, but the whole name is the Valhalla Pastor's pocket knife. Who knew? But guys, I really do like it. Now that's smooth. Sometimes they come, they're not as smooth, but that is like smooth. And I do like the engravings on here. I think it's worth the $18, $19 I spend on it. So I do like this a lot. So I am going to put it in the description just in case you wanted to get you one. And this knife right here, a friend of mine gave this to me, as you can see. And to give you that story before I show you this knife, me and a friend of mine, a very good friend of mine, Scrappy, we during COVID, we were doing a lot of traveling. It was cheaper than the travel, so we would drive to a lot of places. And the way we kept no track of where we went to is we just decided to buy knives. He will buy a knife, I will buy a knife, and we'll try to find something that was unique that we haven't had before. So one year, we got to go down to Arizona, and we got to go to the town of Tombstone. Now, I got another good friend that lives in Arizona, and maybe every other year, every 3 years, we go down there. I go down there and visit. So me and Scrappy went with me that time because he's never been to Arizona. So he went with me, and he ended up buying me this knife right here. Now, this is real snakeskin, and I got this from the city or the town of Tombstone in Arizona. So that's what, and I was collecting knives a little bit before then, sporadically, but that's what, got me into collecting knives. So any state that I go to, if I've never been there, I collect a knife that will remind me of that state. So now you know why I collect knives the way I do, and I just use them for unboxing. I would use this to unbox. So I'm trying to find a good way to keep my knife sharp. So if anybody know something that I could buy to keep my knife sharp, please let me know. Hey, but before we go, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. I know I said in the beginning, I'm going to say it at the end too. Please like, share, and subscribe. The more thumbs up we get, you make a comment, and you share it, the YouTube gods love it. I want to thank my current and new subscribers for rocking with the channel. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech. Thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video. Guys, we got some more unboxings coming soon. So do me a favor, please hit the notification bell, wherever it is on your screen, so you can be notified anytime we put out a new video. Guys, you have a good day, and I'll see you soon.